If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason why so few engage in it. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. As we advance in life, we learn the limits of our abilities. Time and money spent in helping men to do more for themselves is far better than mere giving. Money is like an arm or leg, use it or lose it. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. Whether you believe you can do a thing or not, you are right. There are no big problems, there are just a lot of little problems. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. There is no man living that cannot do more than he thinks he can. A bore is a person who opens his mouth and puts his feet in it. Whatever you have, you must either use or lose. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. History is more or less bunk. A market is never saturated with a good product, but it is very quickly saturated with a bad one. The competitor, to be feared, is one who never bothers about you at all, but goes on making his own business better all the time. Wealth, like happiness, is never attained when sought after directly. It comes as a byproduct of providing a useful service.